Welcome to E10 Open Day. Today we're excited to showcase innovation, performance, and smart technology with the all-new E10. So indeed, the E10 is weatherproof. It has a super cool E4 rating. What that means is the unit itself, the E10, can go outside as well as the panel and such. One of the hardest things for backup systems to handle is that AC kick up, and that's where a lot of systems trip up. So it's very cool to see that the E10, our system, can handle that surge of energy.
So we do a lot of work in the Houston area. Power insecurities in Houston is one of the main things and main reasons we reached out to Anker SOLIX.
E10 is a complete energy system. It can be expanded up to 90 kilowatt hours with additional battery modules, supports up to 27 kilowatt solar input, and pairs with portable smart generator. This is a great way to keep the batteries charged, and then the batteries can power your house. So it's that extra layer of security, extra layer of redundancy. It's the backup to your backup.